We had no idea that just a few weeks after leaving Florida, we'd wake up to this. Or find ourselves standing here. Over the next 5 or 6 months, we'll travel more than 14,000 miles through Canada and Alaska in search of moments like these. Hi and welcome back. We are Miles Across USA, but on our next adventure, we're going to be going across Canada.
To Alaska.
That's right, we're going to Alaska. So we're going to get the RV in better shape than it is right now. I have to have some mechanical stuff done and
some cosmetic stuff done too. We need a new awning. We need to wax and polish up this thing.
Yeah.
Just little details and important things for a big trip.
Right. So we're going to get started, and why don't you come along and join us for the journey?
Can't wait to go to Alaska. Everybody talks about how epic it is.
Yeah.
Want to see it for ourselves. So we're going with another couple.
Yep.
That's different for us too. They're going to be following us in their own Class C, and with their dog Roxie. We're not towing the Jeep. They're towing a Jeep. So we're just going to go with them anytime we need to transport someplace. So it's going to be a really awesome trip. It's going to be a really long trip. It's going to be a really different trip.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Well, not yet. We got things to do.
Right.
We're 15 minutes out to our first stop.
Yep.
It's a harvest host. It's called Suwannee Farms. They do like beekeeping and they have a horse farm. There's no store or anything that they sell, no merchandise. So it's a $20 donation recommended. But it sounds like a nice quiet stay and the pictures are beautiful online.
Yeah, it does look beautiful.
Yeah. So
we're first day, not so bad.
it was a 3-hour commute, not bad. We just kind of like a mini shakedown, wanted to make sure everything was working.
Do a short stop for the first day. Tomorrow is going to be a much longer drive. Andrew, how you doing? All right.
You guys are going to Alaska?
Alaska.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Day one.
We hope to
Day
get. We
one.
hope to get
That's
there.
pretty awesome.
Yeah, we're hoping to come back married.
It's funny, I think that
The fun toes are here. We're turning around. We're going to put our canopy next to your canopy. Oh, wait. This is the way we are. Canopy to canopy. Roxie!
Hey, Marley. Hey, Marley. He clucks like at the horses. You'll hear him cluck. He goes. Hey, Marley.
Hi, Marley.
What you doing? What you doing? Hey, Marley.
So this is Happy Alaska Shenanigans.
Yay!
Happy anniversary.
Yay!
And may the 4th be with you.
It is the 4th.
It is the 4th.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cheers.
You all set up? Is your aviation system a go?
Yeah, we're
Look at
ready
this.
to go.
Well, that was a really nice day.
It was. It was a harvest host on a farm. It's just beautiful.
Yep, bees and horses and donkeys. Very nice host. It was good. It was a 3-hour travel day, so it was a perfect stop. The sky with all of the stars was magnificent.
Oh, yeah. This is dark sky country.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. So we're right outside of Ocala. And what was the name of this place?
It was
Suwannee Farm.
Highlighted route.
Suwannee Farm.
And it was in Wellburn, Florida. It was right in between Route 10 and I-75. So great stop if you're ever in the area. He doesn't have any merch, so it's a $20 donation.
Yeah.
But Andrew, the host, very, very nice, very
Friendly.
accommodating, very friendly. It was a perfect night.
He's an RVer, so he
Was, yeah.
and he wanted to join Harvest Host to meet people. He likes
And
people
he gets a lot of repeat people coming in
A
too.
lot of people come back here.
And it's nice because he has many spots. I mean, it's a whole field. It was great. So anyway, we are heading to Fort Bayou Brewing Company in Ocean Springs, Mississippi today.
Another Harvest Host.
Yep. Generators are allowed until 9. But they do have up to 50 amp available for an additional $15. But we checked the weather forecast. We don't think we're going to need
Yeah,
it.
it goes down to
We should be
50s at
okay.
night, so
Yeah.
we're fine.
And there's food and beverages at the Cypress Tap House. I checked out the menu. It is extensive, so there's plenty of it. Unfortunately, the brewery system is down, but they have 25 rotating craft beers on hand. So until their brewery goes back up. And yeah, they're open till, the restaurant's open till 9. And yeah, let's go to Ocean Springs, Mississippi.
Yeah, sounds good.
How long is this ride?
Yeah, it's going to be about 6 hours and 20 minutes, I think.
Okay.
But we got 2 fuel stops to make, so it's gonna take
We'll
a long
stop and
time.
have lunch too.
So it's going to be a long day.
It's okay. It's a beautiful day. No problem.
Gorgeous.
Okay,
Bye.
hit the road. First gas stop.
Well, second gas stop. We
Okay.
gassed up when we left.
When we
The house,
before
but-
you even got to the house.
Yeah.
So where are we? Are we going to Love's?
We're on I-10 now,
554.
and we're
Turn right on Southeast County Route 255.
pulling
Then
into a
take the
first
left.
love stop.
So the price for diesel here is 554.
Right, that's what they advertise, but we have the open roads card, so
Oh, that's good.
we get a discount.
So I
Turn
looked
left
last
on
night
Southeast County
because
Route
we're going to be
255.
leaving
Then
Florida
take the
and
first
going
left.
into Mississippi, and the fuel prices are significantly less in Mississippi as an average. But we knew that we needed to refuel in Florida because we got quite a haul in Florida. So we'll make sure that we do gas up in Mississippi also before leaving that state. Well, hopefully the prices will be a little bit better. Anyway, what are you getting for gas mileage without towing the Jeep?
Right now we're up to 13.4 miles per gallon.
Oh, I was
Yesterday
hoping
we
for
got
better.
Yesterday we got up to 15, so
Is that this trip's average or the average for the RV?
it's just the trip
Oh, okay.
from when I start the engine.
Hey, look at that. We pulled right in. Nobody in front of us.
Yeah.
Nobody doing their groceries or getting a shower, or they're doing their laundry inside to block us. Ah, winning. Oh, are you done already? Oh. 13 gallons for $72 without the discount.
Without the discount.
So good.
So day 2 on our trip to Alaska, and we
It's
made
Cinco
it.
de Mayo, and we're at a
Cinco-
brewery.
yeah, Cinco de Mayo, which is an American thing I learned, and we're at a
Well-
brewery here in Mississippi.
It's not an American thing. It's definitely a Mexican thing, but we've
No,
made
it
it an
didn't-
American thing.
It didn't become a thing until it was in America,
Oh, is that right?
as a drinking type thing.
Oh, right. But it was definitely a celebration of a victory.
Yeah,
But
some war.
always fell flat until we started drinking for it. Yeah. But pretty little hobbyist host.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is awesome. This is my Cinco de Mayo celebration. Crab dip with tortilla chips.
Right?
Yeah, there you go. We did a little Mexican.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing hot roast quesadillas, so that's Mexican.
Thick quesadillas, though.
What are we doing?
You're doing the
Hot
broccoli
roast
crab?
quesadilla.
Nope, we're not doing either.
Hot roast
Changed
quesadilla.
his mind at the last minute.
I'm doing a
Serving
black
the
and
grill.
Do you want a couple of these?
No. So it's a pretty good commute today, huh?
It was
Drive
long.
was easy.
Yeah. Not a lot of traffic. Fuel stops were easy, in and out,
Expensive.
expensive. Oh my God.
And for those of you coming west, gas is cheaper as you go west.
Yeah.
Right now.
Right now.
But if we go too far west, yeah. So Florida was the most expensive. And then we went through Alabama.
Alabama,
We
yeah.
thought it was going to be cheaper. That's what our research
So
said.
it's the same.
But it was the same. And now we are in Mississippi, and it is
much lower.
cheaper. It's
I
like
saw-
40 cents less.
I saw $3.99 diesel
Oh,
at,
you did?
at a Circle K.
Oh, yeah, but across
But
the
we had
street.
just, but we had just
Yeah.
fueled up. We're enjoying it so far. Day 2.
So at this Harvest Host, you can get electric for $15, but we thought we didn't need it, and it's beautiful out. Windows
Gorgeous
open,
out.
nice cross breeze, will be just fine.
Temperatures are like it was
70.
It was 80 when we got here, I think, but it's breezy, and it's probably in the mid 70s now. So just perfect. Perfect weather. What did you guys get?
We got the green beans as a side, and we got the hot roast dinner. quesadilla, and it is amazing with gravy. The gravy, it's all amazing.
Yeah.
And the chef's name is
Ryan.
Ryan. Chef Ryan. He did a great job.
What'd you get?
And I'll just pot roast quesadillas. And some really great fries and gravy.
Okay.
I got the blackened
That's
redfish.
I just went back to work, been here 2 years.
Oh,
Wow.
sauce,
Green beans.
green beans,
My dad
potatoes.
used to own a
Yum.
restaurant
Oh, okay.
in Texas, so I've
You
done
guys
this before.
want
We're up
some
in it, yeah.
high quality food?
I
This is the
retired
place
from
to come.
managing
really good.
Senior apartments.
Join us next time when we continue our journey west along I-10 and visit Louisiana and Texas.
What's going on?
We're stuck in traffic. We're in Houston. And
Bumper to bumper.
bumper, bumper
Bumper to
traffic.
bumper to bumper.